in this video we would be learning more about ultrasonic sensors. So ultrasonic sensor is also known as a proximity sensor and is also used as one. So the ultrasonic sensor is nothing but an electronic device that measures the distance of the target object by emitting ultrasonic sound waves and converts the reflected sound into an electrical signal. So to explain it simply in simple language, this ultrasonic sensor sends out a series of sound waves which reaches the target object and gets reflected back as the reflected sound waves to the receiver, which is then converted into electrical signal to display the distance of the target object in your LCD display or the serial monitor. So the ultrasonic sensor has basically two parts, which is the transmitter and the receiver. So the transmitter emits the piezoelectric crystals, which are nothing but the sound waves, and the receiver encounters these sound waves after they have traveled to and from the target. So the receiver receives the reflected sound waves from the target object to calculate the distance. So to calculate the distance, the ultrasonic sensor uses the following formula, which is distance is equal to time into speed by 2, which would enable the ultrasonic sensor to calculate the distance. So in order to calculate the distance, the sensor measures the time which it takes between the emission of the sound by the transmitter to its contact with the receiver. So this is the main focus of this ultrasonic sensor. So next, these ultrasonic sensors are used in our daily lives. It has many uses, like it is used in level sensors, and it is also used in detecting the distance below sea level, which is also called as sonar, which is sound navigation and ranging. So you could also make many projects using these ultrasonic sensors in Arduino and use them in automations of your home and many other projects. So first let us see how this ultrasonic sensor has its pins. So the first pin of the ultrasonic sensor, I'm talking about the HCSR04 module, has the VCC pin, which is also known as the power supply, where the 5 volt or 3.3 volt has to be given to it for adequate power supply. And next we have the trigger and echo pins. So the trigger pins is nothing but the transmitter, which emits the piezoelectric crystals or the sound waves, and the echo pin receives these reflected signals. So the trigger and echo pin can be connected to the digital pins of Arduino from 1 to 13. And next we have the GND pin, which is ground and has to be connected to the ground. So this is the basic logic of the ultrasonic sensor. So let us make a very small project on this, on displaying the distance received by the ultrasonic sensor on the serial monitor. So let us look into it. So this is the code which we have written for the project. So after the connections, if you look at this code, it's a very basic code. So first let me explain it. So first you have to define the trigger and echo pins of the ultrasonic sensor. So you define it first, and then we have to define the initial duration and distance. So we have defined that, and then when we go to the setup, we set up the trigger and echo pin as the output and input, and then to display the ultrasonic sensor's distance on the On the serial monitor, you give the serial.begin 9600 input, which is 9600 is the baud rate. And next we go to the void loop, where we give the trigger as high and the trigger as low as a digital write pro command. And then we give the formula for the ultrasonic sensor to receive the distance, and then we print the distance in the serial monitor by delaying it for 2000. So this is a very basic code, and you can learn many more things about it. So in this video we have learned about what is an ultrasonic sensor, how the ultrasonic sensor works, where are they used, and we have learned many things about the pin numbers and all those things, and then we have looked into the code as well. So let us first verify the code. So the code has been verified, so let us upload the code to our Arduino board. So now as the code has been uploaded, let us look into the serial monitor, which is on the right end of the Arduino IDE. So when we open it, you'll be able to see the distance being displayed. So these all are in centimeters. So if you want, you could add the centimeter displaying command as well. So this is the project which we have done. So thanks for watching, and there will be many more videos like this in the future of how the hardware works. So please stay tuned till then. Until then, thanks for watching, and please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.